guys, it's your boy David C, back with another video. So today guys, I finally decided what I'm gonna do about the 5.3 LS that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to go get fixed. I'm taking it to the machine shop so that way they can refreshen it up and make it good again. I was originally gonna buy a crate engine, and I started saving up money, this and that, and one thing led to another, and something came up that I wasn't expecting, so it kind of set me back. So this is the next option to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this and continue the build. So stay tuned guys, let's get it. Alright guys, so we're here. Ed's Automotive Machine Shop and Supply. Let me get this motor fixed so we get this C10 back on the road.
So,
¿Cómo estamos? You want to do like a LS? What do you want to do to the engine?
I just want to just probably refresh it.
Like cam it out or stock or NA or performance or 378 low bore to like 30.9. Use the Corvette pistons.
Okay.
Or just 30 or 40, it's up to you, bro.
What do you think, Dad?
¿qué tanto sale? I mean,
It's about the same price. The parts are a little more priced. They're probably like a bill more maybe.
Because you got to
than what I
change
told you.
the pistons and all
You know,
that.
those you have to, yeah. They're junk already. They're pretty good though. Oh, you have to press fit.
Pero si usas esas, it'll be like a stock build. Like if we bore it to LS1, you can't use those no more, right?
No. Yeah, these being reused, out of the question. Como quiera, the quote that I gave you has new pistons. I always put new rings, new pistons, new bearings.
Okay.
That's a crank.
The crank that shop, bro.
Yeah, really.
It's
Oh, it's junk. Yeah, it's junk.
it's good.
Yeah. So you need a new crank.
Yeah, for sure.
yeah, that's for sure.
So we'd probably be looking at about $2,000 then. Crank.
$2,000 with a new crank.
How's the cam?
What's that?
How was the cam?
The cam is
Camp
a.
is new porque before we even take it to,
You get a tune?
yeah, ahí cuando tronó el güey.
I don't know.
Well, no tronó, pero
This one is junk. This one's good. What happened in that one?
yeah.
Oh, they're mixed up, right? Oh shit. No, son. Esta va bien. Esta no va aquí, va backwards.
And give us a ballpark
This one's
price.
big. to rod, guys.
Oh, put the kid right there.
Okay.
You want to go ahead and bore it out to LS1, right?
Might
You
as
said the
well.
price will be probably around the same.
Yeah.
So I think we'll go ahead and do
We
that,
have to
guys.
get pistons anyway.
Yeah, they're gonna have to put
Wow.
new pistons, new crank. So they might as well just bore it out to LS1 and put all the accessories that needs to be put in for that bore that they're gonna do. Fuck it, let's get it. What's it look like?
Get on that track.
Get a crack.
Oh, it's cracked?
Here, yeah.
Ah, shit. Okay.
I can put a sleeve though. So we'll bore it out and I'll play you sleeve.
Pour it out, put sleeves. ¿Y queda? ¿Queda bien? Alright, alright. Damn it, boy. Well, it was more than I imagined.
Yeah.
Because I had to replace some lifters.
Oh, yeah.
Se chingaron como 3 lifters. Y luego pues I took it apart y vi el desvergue que estaba ahí en los abajo con el crank. So I said, that's gonna be it, but ni pedo, that's what it is. She gave it hell on the dyno at Salano.
Yo bonito for about 5 seconds.
Alright guys, so as you see, there's multiple things wrong with this. I have a bent piston rod. I have a cracked block. I have multiple things wrong with this engine, so we're gonna go ahead and fix it up. They're gonna go ahead and bore it out, put some sleeves in it, bore it out to a LS1 instead of a stock. So that baby's gonna be, she's gonna be pretty spicy, guys. So let's see what's up. Let's go get it. Make it happen. Let's go.
So you said you want an LS1 board?
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and do that LS1 board.
What's your name?
David. From what the bore is now to
It's 120.
120.
Thousands.
Okay.
Big difference.
And it is a big difference. So you'll be able to feel the difference in driving and stuff like that.
If you tune it right, yeah.
Okay.
That's the key tuning.
The keys tuning, guys.
Oh, the crankshaft is a shot.
Yeah, the crankshaft come in.
I would say about 2300.
2300.
Yeah.
And what are you gonna do to it?
Bore, deck, new crank, rotating assembly, wash, new cam bearings.
Okay.
It'll look very nice.
All right, all right. All right, bro. Appreciate you.
All right,
Have a good one.
Yeah.
So we're right here, guys, at Ed's Machine Shop. If y'all need any machine shop work for your motors, if y'all need any work done, y'all come over here. They got good quality.
Oh, quita abrieron.
Esa carne asada.
Yeah. Esa es la Cristina. El carro de la Cristina. Get the service. We are open. Saber Tiger.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Went ahead and took the motor to get refreshed. They're gonna bore it out to a LS1, so that's gonna give me significantly more torque and more power. So it'll probably go from like a 5.3 to maybe a 6.0 or something. I'll do more research and find out, but that's it for this video guys. So I wanted to show you I've been working on this truck on the engine bay. I went ahead and just touched it up with some paint, made it look a little better for when I slap this motor back in. I'm not completely done. I still got some work to do down towards the bottom and on this firewall, but before I put this motor in, it's gonna look right. And yeah guys, so that's basically where I'm sitting at right now with the C10. And like I said guys, this is the end of the video, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the next one.